As a video editor, our jobs takes a lot of time. I used to spend the whole week finishing one video, and that stopped me from taking more projects, which cost me money. But after years of testing, I finally discovered a few powerful tools and systems that completely changed the game. And once you see them, you will wonder how you ever edit without them. So stick around and let's get started. Alright, the biggest time waster for me was searching for files and effects, and these are the tools that fix it. First, your operation system. If you are on Windows, get Listary. Just hit the shortcut, type what you need, and it will find any file on your computer instantly. You can even drag and drop straight on your editing software. If you are on Mac, you already got Spotlight. Press Command plus Space, type the file name, and here we go. You can also tag your files by projects to make search even faster. Next, let's talk about your actual software. In After Effects, there is FX Console, and for Premiere Pro, Excalibur. You can search and apply any effects instantly, and even stack multiple effects to apply them all at once with single shortcut. A massive time saver. Of course, there is a tons of plugins that cut down on daily tasks. Things like Copy Pasta for quick PNG copy and paste, Textevo for fast text animation, and Flow for easy graph and keyframes. Basically, there is a plugin for almost every repetitive task. Finding things fast is just the beginning. Let me show you the system I use every day that saves me time, and let me focus on what really matters. Now, let's talk about systems and workflow, starting with keyboard shortcuts. Before I show you mine, let me explain the philosophy behind it. Usually you have one hand on the mouse and the other in the keyboard. So every time you have to move your hand across the keyboard or switch back and forth, it adds friction. So my first principle is simple. Keep your hand in one position and only move your fingers. Anything you do hundreds of times should be mapped to the easiest key to reach. For example, the default shortcut for cutting is Ctrl plus K, which is just too awkward for something you use all the time. So I remap it to C because it sets right where my fingers naturally rest. For deleting section quickly, I use A for Ripple Delete. Instead of deleting a clip and then deleting the empty gap, one key removes the section and pulls everything left automatically. That allows speed up rough cut massively. I also use Z for zoom to sequence. It toggles between your full timeline view and your current zoom in position. So if I need to grab something from another part of the sequence, I can zoom out, find it, copy it, then hit Z twice to jump right back to the exact zoom level I was editing on. There is still a lot of shortcuts I use every day. I will go deeper into all of it in a full video soon, so make sure you subscribe. Next, macros. So what is macros? Let me give you a quick example. If I want to slow down a clip, normally I press Ctrl plus R, type 50 and then hit enter. That's about 5 steps. With macros, one key can trigger all of this action at once. You can set this up using your keyboard built-in software. If your keyboard doesn't support that, free tools like AutoHotkey can do the same. And finally, the assets pack. I use this with every client stacking my animation, text and sound effect in one project. Then I can reuse them whenever I need. Next, presets. I save the ones I use often so I can drag and drop them into any projects instantly. You can also export your animation from After Effects as moggers and use them directly into Premiere. Now, with the rise of AI, everything is changing. So let me show you what this looks like for me and what could be possible for you. As editors and creators, we need to be smart with AI and learn how to adapt it to our workflows. The goal is not to replace creativity, the goal is to remove friction, speed up the repetitive tasks, and give you more time to actually create. And right now, every major company is racing to put AI into their tools. Final Cut Pro lets you search footage using transcripts. Type a word and it finds the exact moment it was spoken in your clips. You can also search your footage by what's actually in it. Need a shot of phone, type it, and Final Cut shows you every clip that has one. And if your voiceover sounds bad, Adobe Podcast AI will enhance it in seconds. Plugins like Higgsfield are bringing AI into Premiere and After Effects, letting you generate AI B-roll directly into Premiere, use Draw to edit to change part of shot with simple prompts, automatically reframe content from shorts and reels, and remove and change backgrounds in just few clicks. And with Cloud Code, you can basically edit a full video starting from cutting footage and cleaning mistakes all the way to generating design, motion graphics, and animations with just few prompts. Alright, so that's the whole stack. Fast access, smart systems, and AI doing the boring work. But remember, the tools and systems are not going to make you faster. Implementing them and using them into your workflow will. That's what actually breaks the friction. You will find everything we talk about down below in the description, so don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.